Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But did you know that your washing machine has a similar filter that should also be cleaned just as often? Washing machine filters trap anything from lint to loose hairs, and should be kept clean to keep your washing machine functioning properly. Along the top rim of the drum of your washing machine.
Let's help you make your mark.
Check the pump sometimes. It's as simple as a lost coin blocking the pump. Behind the machine's service hatch you'll usually see a round access cap about the size of a biscuit. Put the tray under it to catch any water, then carefully unscrew and remove it. This will reveal the pump's impeller.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.